Dialogue 5.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go play volleyball at the beach.
Who are you going to go with?
I'm going to go with my friends from the university. What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to stay home.
Why are you going to stay home? Why don't you come with us?
I'm going to do some work.
Future tense. Will.
I will go home. You will come to school. He will play tennis. She will swim. John will run. Mary will go to work. We will sing. They will run.
When will you come to school?
I'll come to school tomorrow.
When will he play tennis?
He'll play tennis tonight.
When will she swim?
She'll swim next week.
When will John run?
John will run this afternoon.
When will Mary go to work?
Mary will go to work next week.
When will you sing?
We'll sing Tuesday evening.
When will they run?
They'll run tomorrow. Will you come to school?
No, I will not.
No, I won't. Will he play tennis?
Yes, he will.
Will she swim?
No, she will not.
No, she won't. Will John run?
Yes, he will.
Will Mary go to work?
No, she will not.
No, she won't. Will you sing?
Yes, we will.
Will they run?
No, they will not.
No, they won't.
What will you do this morning?
I'll go to school.
What will he do tonight?
He'll play tennis.
What will she do next week?
She'll swim.
What will John do this afternoon?
John'll run.
What will Mary do next month?
Mary'll go to work.
What will you do Tuesday evening?
We'll sing.
What will they do tomorrow?
They'll run.
Like. I like mountains. You like the beach. He likes the forest. She likes flowers. They like rivers.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, I do.
Do they like mountains?
No, they don't.
Does he like the beach?
No, he doesn't.
Does she like flowers?
Yes, she does. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
What kind of movies does she like?
She likes scary movies.
What kind of movies does he like?
He likes dramatic movies.
What kind of movies does Jane like?
Jane likes science fiction movies.
What kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food.
What kind of food does she like?
She likes spicy food.
What kind of food does he like?
He likes Chinese food.
What kind of food does Tom like?
He likes all kinds of food. What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat bread and drink coffee.
What do you like to do on the weekends?
I like to play badminton and go swimming. How do you like your eggs?
I like them boiled.
How do they like to travel?
They like to travel by train.
Who does she like?
She likes Brad Pitt.
Who do they like?
They like Madonna. Do you like Brad Pitt?
No,
Do you like Madonna?
of course.
Do you like her?
Yes, I do.
Do you like them?
Yes, I do. But I don't like their dog.
Does she like you?
Yes, she does.
Does he like Susan?
Yes, he does.